Hi, Ted Severance here. I'm one of the techs here at Khanna Vision Institute, and today I'm going to teach people how to use the Optase or Optase ointment. We've had questions about how to do it, and I'm actually going to show it to you. So obviously you're going to take it out of the back of the box. There's directions and everything in here as well. But we find the best way to do it, and most of the time you'll confer with Dr. Khanna, but most of the time we're going to do it at least at night, just before bedtime. So what you want to do is you want to take a little, just kind of squeeze it where a little bit comes out. You can probably see that. It's a little tricky. Just a little bit, squeeze it right there. Again, it's hard to do this from the camera. Close your eyes and go to bed. And that's the way. And this stuff is awesome. And you'll really make those dry eyes become a lot more comfortable. Thank you.